You are now watching
I'm gonna show you here today how to do Michael Myers. So let's check it out. So I'm the first one to ever create him. Let's show you real quick. Just copy my steps. You know what I mean? Copy my stats. I mean, you pick that head, none. You're gonna pick that one, and then color. Let's go back. And that's the skin color. And then let's go to hairstyle. Pick that one. You know what I'm saying? And color. It's gonna be that one. Okay, so we'll go eyebrows. It's gonna be that one. Position, just copy it. Like I said, pause the video, copy it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be that color right there. We'll go to the eyes. It's gonna be this one down here. That one. Position. Pause it, copy it. There you go. Nose. It's gonna be that one right there. Position right there. That's it. Mouth. I'm gonna pick that one right there. Position. And then the color is gonna be this one right here. So make sure you copy that. And then facial hair, none. You wanna see something, Miss I Go Hard? And then the mole, none. Gender, body, put it the way you want it, but I put that. And then black, and then that's it. That's about it. I mean, pretty simple. Michael Myers, have him right there. And yeah, there you go, Angel. You're welcome. Like I said, I'm the first one to make it, and I go hard.